sort of television is 13 Harry Smith. You know, if you're looking around once again, beautiful curvature of the walls, lovely ornate skirtings on the roof there. You know, you have a look here, imported Persian wear once again. I mean, it's serious quality you're investing in this house. You know, French light fittings, very secure, plenty of plugs. Like, you know, anything one would need in a TV room, you know, would be all of the TVs, I suppose. You know, so much entertainment value.
Vanavond laat deel aan het resultaat van de voorbereiding en de beplanning van die afgelopen
You've already won a do-it-yourself kit, a Persian carpet, a stacked hi-fi system, an electric guitar.
Ek bevrees daar is niks wat ons aan die saak kan doen nie.
Ekskuus. Hier is nog 'n ligte bydrae uit die FSA.
Dit is 5 Januarie 1975. Ons heet u welkom by die openingsaand van die volledige televisiediens van die FAU.